Yo, what's up guys? Welcome back to the channel where I post everything Harry Potter related. Today we have a very special unboxing. I've been meaning to buy this for a while, and since a lot of you guys are quarantined and are home, I figured let's just go ahead and build some Legos. But not just any Legos. One of my favorite, I guess, vehicles. Come to think about it, I believe there's only 2 vehicles in the Wizarding World. So without further ado, let's go ahead and just open a box. I don't know if I should call this an unboxing or if I should like just call this review of the I don't think it's a review. I guess we'll call it an unboxing because we are unboxing what's in the box. Let's call this the unboxing of the night bus, but I have a very special surprise that you guys, only the people who actually are watching this and haven't seen the title are gonna know about this. So I didn't just buy the night bus. Like, who really just goes to Amazon and buys one thing? No, you gotta buy a bunch of things. And not only did I buy the night bus in Legos, but I bought the other magical vehicle, which is also my favorite. Check this out. So if you guys are watching this video, it's because you guys are watching this video. You're watching it because of this, and we're gonna make it and sculpt it. I don't even know if that sculpting is even the word, but we're gonna build it and we're gonna have a really cool one. But you guys get an exclusive as to see this Ford Anglia that I did buy with Harry Potter and everything in it, which is super cool. Like, I'm gonna open it, I'm not gonna leave it in the box. I want to like do like a little thing where like it's floating in like one of the shelves, which would be super cool to do. So I didn't want to just keep this. I don't have a lot of things like Funkos in the boxes, so I didn't want to have this be one of those because it has the doors open, the trunk opens. Like, that's such a waste of, I guess, value to just have it inside. So I'm just gonna open it regardless. But let's step away from this real quick and let's go ahead and talk about what really matters, which is the night bus. This night bus is 403 pieces, and let me see, it comes with Stan Shumpike, Ernie, which is the old man in the front. I don't know if you guys seen the movie, but he's the old man. And oh my god, it even comes with the head. I forgot what the heck it's called now, but it comes with a little head. You can get that at the Wizarding World of Harry Potter as well in Universal Studios, which is closed at the moment. I don't know if you guys know this, but I do. Sorry. And also Harry Potter. And I see there's 3 sections, which is super cool. Oh my god. In the back you can see he even has the Daily Prophet. He has a little Daily Prophet thing. He has a chandelier that moves left and right. Oh my god. We're gonna have fun building this. So let's go ahead and just jump right into it. But before we jump into it, you guys know how this rolls. If you guys are new here, hi, my name is John Slytherin. I post Harry Potter content on a daily basis. And if you guys have never seen any videos of mine, I definitely urge you guys to go ahead and check out some older videos because I post everything Harry Potter related. Sometimes I do go to theme parks, although now since we are quarantined and like on like lockdown basically, they won't be open until the end of this month. Although that we really don't know when they will be open. It might be the end of this month, it might not, it might even be even further. So for the ones that do follow me on Instagram, I'll give you guys some quick updates on a daily basis because obviously I can't post a video every single day, but I do go on Instagram on a constant daily basis. I get daily reminders of anything that's happening in the parks, so if you guys follow me on Instagram, you guys will definitely be the first ones to know what's happening in the parks. So let's just go ahead and jump right into this night bus Lego making project. Alright, real quick, I had to change my shirt because I thought it was super inappropriate to even have a different shirt that's not the night bus shirt. So let's just go ahead and jump right into it. Actually, I'm gonna go ahead and call assistance here for this because this is gonna be, it's too big for me alone. There's 403 pieces. I can't do this by myself, especially with the camera rolling like every minute. So I'm just gonna fast forward the whole process, and hopefully my assistant here can come and help me make this a little bit quicker. Alright, so okay, so good, it's all numbered. So this is number 1, this is number 2, has a huge little book. I guess this is the instructions. Number 3, and that is it. And these are the stickers to put on the night bus. So that's pretty cool. And now let's go ahead and get started on the box. And now lovely assistant here. We're gonna go ahead and get started on the night bus. This is a big book. Okay, so I don't think it's gonna be that hard to make. So I'm gonna start the fast forwarding session right now.
Do you need help?
Yeah, I don't have nails. Yeah, take that please.
Where did this one come from?
Oh, you know.
You can't just add your own pieces to it.
Shoot.
Alert, if they're missing a purple piece. Did you use the piece that wasn't supposed to? You know, next thing we should buy the castle.
Where are we gonna put a castle?
We'll buy a table for it.
We have somewhat done. We're missing a piece. I'm freaking out because there's a missing piece and we cannot find it anywhere. Hopefully the third bag has like an extra or something, because if not,
we're screwed.
Yeah, I guess I'm just gonna like show the good side. I'll be like, hey, look at this side. Oh wait, no, that's the wrong side. Hey, look at this guy. Or I'll put it like that, something like that. Wee. With a missing piece. Wee.
With the missing.
The chandelier. We got the chandelier done. We need to charge the battery, but we still have a missing piece. I'm gonna show you guys the process right now, the progress. So we have the chandelier, we have the talking head somewhere in there, but we have somewhat everything done. We're just finalizing the last little pieces here and there. So I'm gonna charge the battery real quick and I'll get back to you because this was a lot of fast forwarding, so it's destroying my battery, as you can see. So let's go ahead and stop it right here so we can go to number 3. Alright, so we're back again. We already have, so now we're going to number 3, the final pieces. Okay. Are you ready? This is the final stretch. After this, we are done with this crazy. It doesn't look like much, but there is a lot of pieces in here. This goes here, boom. Okay, got that down.
We need to build this little old man.
Yeah, but I'll do the easy parts. You like worrying about.
Oh, you do all the fun parts and I do all the
This is not
hard
fun.
parts.
This is.
Yeah.
You don't even know what his name is. His name is Ernie. What the heck is his leg?
Look, this is my piece here.
Dude, look at this piece.
Oh, this is
What
little.
the hell?
Oh my god, that piece is hard.
No, there's multiple ones. I don't think he has legs.
He does legs. You're telling me he came with no legs.
I don't see legs. Unless these are his legs. Yeah.
It's like a wheelchair or something.
Dude. Don't tell me they came without legs either.
Dude, I give you the easiest part and you don't even know how to do it.
Dude, what are you talking about? Look at it.
I'm already on the second page.
Bro, they literally finessed now. I'm gonna call them.
You didn't give me the legs. First this and now the legs.
Yeah, bro. Why you laughing?
This is the legs.
He's missing legs. He's
hilarious.
he's not supposed to be missing legs. I know damn well I didn't misplace his legs. We literally just opened it. So that means they took it. They took his legs and ran with it. It's not that hard to find legs. What am I gonna do with them now? I can't even put him on the chair.
He's crippled. He can't.
I can't even put him.
on the chair.
I'm so serious.
He has no butt to sit on.
Now I gotta go probably to the Lego store and find like legs.
The one all the way in Orlando.
No, the
Where
one
we
here.
used to go.
The one here in. Oh my god, no, we're quarantined, so the freaking mall is closed. Why are you?
I even showed the camera.
And that's why you were laughing?
Yeah.
I thought you were laughing at this guy being legless. That's a wrap on today's video. I hope you guys liked it. Check us out.